Hello everyone, let us continue with the problems of locus. This is the second bit first sum. Find the equation of locus of P if the line segment joining 2, 3 minus 1, 5 subtends a right angle at P. So see, the given points are A 2, 3 and B minus 1, 5. So let P, x, y be any point on the locus. So this is forming a right angle. That means the line AB is subtending a right angle at P. So here we can use Pythagoras theorem. So AB square is equal to AP square plus PB square. So under root x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. And we have x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus pb square. X plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Let's expand this. So this one, square and under root will get cancelled. So minus 3 whole square is 9. 5 plus 5 minus 3 whole square, that is 2 square, 4 is equal to square and here we have also square and under root will get cancelled. Square and under root will get cancelled. Expanding this one, we will get x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 plus x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 10y plus 25. So take all the terms towards a single side. X square plus x square, we will get 2x square. Next, y square plus y square, 2y square. So minus 4x and plus 2x. We will get minus 2x. Minus 6y, minus 10y, minus 16y. Plus. So here plus 9 will get cancelled because they are on the opposite side of the equation. So plus 4 also will get cancelled. Here we have 25 plus 1, that is 26 is equal to 0. So here you can take 2 common. So x square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. So therefore this is the required equation of the locus. So the next sum in the exercise is the ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are 0, 6 and 6, 0. Find the equation of locus of its third vertex. So this is similar to the last problem. So A and B are the ends of the hypotenuse. So at P it is subtending right angle. So we have to find the locus of the point P, and that means third vertex. So let us consider Px, y be any point on locus. So A is point 0, 6, B is 6, 0. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we have sum of the squares of the two sides is equal to sum of the square of the largest side, that is hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to PA square plus PB square. So substitute all the values. So find out the distance between A and B. 0 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square under root, and here we have square, so you have to write square also. Square and under root will get cancelled. PA square, PA, P to A, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root plus 6 minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root plus 6 minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root plus 6 minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root plus 6 minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root plus 6 minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root plus 6 minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root plus 6 minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root plus 6 minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root plus 6 minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root plus 6 minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root plus 6 minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root plus 6 minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root plus and PB, x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Square and root will get cancelled. Square and root will get cancelled. So 6 square is 36 plus 36 is equal to x square plus y square minus 12y plus 6 square is 36 plus x square minus 12x plus 36 plus y square. So here 36 plus 36. However, we have 36 here, 36 here, 36 here, 36 here. Because if we send this to this side, it will become minus 36 and 36 minus 36 will become 0. So what all the terms, remaining terms we have? X square plus x square, 2x square. Y square plus y square, 2y square. Minus 12x we have and minus 12y we have is equal to 0. Just take the 2 common. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of locus. This is next sum in the exercise. So find the equation of a locus of a point and the difference of this point from minus 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0 is 8. So let us consider point A as minus 5 comma 0, B as 5 comma 0. So let P x comma y be any point on the locus. So what is given? Distance between P and distance between PB. So their difference is equal to 8. So what we will do? We will take PA one side and we will send this to this side. So now you can apply squaring on both sides. Then you will get PA square is equal to 8 plus PB whole square. So here distance from P to A. Distance from P to A. X plus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square under root we have square is equal to, expand this, 8 square plus 2 into 8 into PB plus PB square. Square and root will get cancelled. X square plus 10x plus 25 plus y square is equal to 8 square 64 plus 16 PB. Distance from P to B. B is nothing but 5 comma 0. So x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So here we have x square plus y square plus 10x plus 25. Here we have 64 plus 16 PB. Square and root will get cancelled and we have remaining terms x square minus 2 into 5 into x plus 25 plus y square. X square because they are on different sides will get cancelled. Y square will get cancelled. And take all the terms to one side. So here you have 10x plus 25. So minus 64 plus 10x minus 25 is equal to, here we have only 16 PB. 10x plus 10x 20x. 25 minus 25 0. And we have minus 64 is equal to 16 PB. Take 4 common and cancel. 4 5s are 20. 16 fours are 64. 4 PB. So apply squaring on both sides again. So in this problem we have to apply squaring on both sides two times. So 5x minus 16 whole square is equal to 4 PB whole square. So here we have 25x square minus 2 into 5x into 16 plus 16 square is 256 is equal to 16 PB square. 25x square, 2 5s are 10, 10 16s are minus 160x plus 256 is equal to 16 into PB. So PB we have already solved once. X minus 5 whole square plus y square under root, and we have square will get cancelled. So we have 25x square minus 160x plus 256 is equal to 16 into x square minus 10x plus 25 plus y square. So 25x square minus 160x plus 256 is equal to 16x square minus 160x plus 16 into 25 plus 16 y square. So 25x square, this will come this side, so 25x square minus 16x square minus 160x will get cancelled. Here we have 16y square, so minus 16y square plus 256, this is 400 minus 400 is equal to 0, and we will get 9x square minus 16y square plus minus 144 is equal to 0. So here we have 9x square minus 16y square is equal to 144. So this can be written as 9x square by 144 minus 16y square by 144 is equal to 1. So here 1s are 16s are, 1s are 9s are. So we will get x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So therefore this is the required equation of locus. Previously we have solved the sum whose difference. So but here the sum of the distances from point P. This is same problem, and similar procedure we will be following. Let Px comma y be any point on the locus. So distance from PA, distance between PB is equal to 6. So take PA one side, send PB to this side, squaring on both sides, we will get PA square is equal to 6 minus PB whole square. So what is A given? 0, 2. What is B? 0, minus 2. So find the distance between PA. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square under root whole square is equal to 6 square is 36 minus 12 into PB plus PB square. So here square and root will get cancelled. X square plus y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 36 minus 12 PB. So find distance between P and B. X minus 0 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square under root, and we have whole square. Square and root will get cancelled. X square plus y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 36 minus 12 PB plus x square plus y square plus 4y plus 4. So cancel all the similar terms on both the sides, x square, y square. So minus 4y, here we have minus 4y, here we have plus 4y, and this side, then we will get minus 8y. 4 will get cancelled. We have 36 here, send 36 to this side, minus 36 is equal to minus 12 pb. Take minus 4 common, 2y plus 9 is minus 4 common, 3 pb. Minus 4 will get cancelled. So apply squaring on both sides again. So 2y plus 9 whole square is equal to 3 pb whole square. So here 4y square plus 9 9s are 81 plus 2 into 2y into 9 is equal to 9 pb square. Okay, next 4y square plus 81, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36y is equal to 9 into, so distance of pb, that is x minus 0 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square under root and square. Square and under root will get cancelled. Then we have 4y square plus 81 plus 36y plus 0 is equal to 9 into x square plus y square plus 4y plus 4. So 4y square plus 81 plus 36y is equal to 9x square plus 9y square, 4 9s are 36y, 4 9s are 36. 9x square, keep this side only, send 4y square towards this side, then we will have 9 minus 4, 5y square. These are all cancelled now. Still we have 36y will get cancelled. We have 36 minus 81 is equal to 0. So 9x square plus 5y square minus 45 is equal to 0. X square plus y square, 9x square plus 5y square is equal to 45. You can simplify this still, 9 by 45 plus 5y square by 45, then it will be 1. You can cancel, then x square by 5 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Therefore this is the required equation of locus. This is next model. So A, B are the two fixed points. So take A and B, fixed points. Find the equation of locus of P such that the area of the triangle PAB is 9. So P is any point on the locus such that the area of the triangle is becoming 9. So what is A? 5 comma 3. What is B? 3 comma minus 2. Let Px comma y be any point on the locus. So here the given condition is area should be 9. What is the formula of area? Half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 9. So take x1 as this one, x into y2, 3 minus of minus 2. So 3 minus 2, 3 plus 2. X2 is 5. Y3 is minus 2 plus minus y plus x3 is 3. Y1 is y minus 3 is equal to, sending to this side, it will become 18. So 5x minus 10 minus 5y plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 18. So 5x minus 2y minus 19. So removing mod, we will get plus or minus 18. So one condition is taking plus 18. The other one is taking minus 18. So here we will get 5x minus 2y minus 37 is equal to 0. Here we will get 5x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So these are the two. So these are OR. So what is the locus of whole curve? So locus of P is, multiply these both, 5x minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore this is the required equation of locus. So this is the next model. If the distance of point P to the points, let it be A, this be B. So the distance from PA and PB are in the ratio 2:3. Then find the equation of locus of P. So PA is to PB is equal to 2:3. So this can be written as PA by PB is equal to 2/3. Cross multiplication. 3PA is equal to 2PB. Squaring on both the sides. So 9PA square is equal to 4PB square. 9 into, what is A? 2, 3. What is B? 2, minus 3. So distance from P to A, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 into x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. Square root will get cancelled. Square root will get cancelled. So 9 into x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 4 into x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 6y plus 9. 9x square minus 36x plus 36 plus 9y square. 9 6 are 54y. 9 9s are 81 is equal to 4x square minus 16x plus 16 plus 4y square. 6 4s are 24y. 4 9s are 36. 9x square minus 4x square. We will have 5x square. Just cancel them lightly so that you will not confuse. So next one is plus 36 plus 36 will get cancelled. And you have 9y square, 4y square. You will have 5y square. And minus 36 minus 16. So minus 36x, this side it will become plus 16x. Minus 54y minus 24y plus 81 minus 16 is equal to 0. So 5x square plus 5y square minus 20x minus 78y plus 65 is equal to 0. So therefore this is the required equation of the locus. So this is the last sum in the exercise. Here they have given 3 points and they have given also the condition. They are asking us to prove whether the equation of the locus is this or not. This is just checking. After solving this problem, we have to check with this. So PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square. Just substituting is enough here. So let Px comma y be any point on locus. You will write that. And here x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square under root and whole square and PB x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square so 2 into PC x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, square root will get cancelled, square root will get cancelled, square root will get cancelled. Just expanding. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 plus x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 2 into x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9. So x square 2x square y square 2y square minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x minus 4y plus 6y plus 2y. We have 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 9 18 is equal to 2x square plus 2 4s are 8x plus 8 plus 2y square minus 12y 18. So 2x square will cancel, 2y square will cancel, and here we have 8x plus, so take this to that side, 8x plus 6x, these are gone, and minus 12y minus 2y. Next you have 18 will get cancelled and you have only 8. So 8 plus 6 is 14x minus 14y plus 8 is equal to 0. Take 2 common and cancel. 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. So this one only they are asking us to show. See. Therefore this is the